10th standard, your 5th lesson, Introduction to CALS. CALS means calculator. CALS is an electronic spreadsheet package from the OpenOffice suites. Spreadsheet is a type of package that is used for fast and accurate calculation as well as formatting of data in a document. Yes, CALS means calculator, you know. It is a spreadsheet, it is come from a form of sheet which does a fast calculation than human being. CALS can calculate any number, it can divide, multiply anything in a form of document. It is used in computer as a spreadsheet software. The spreadsheet package is used for managing financial accounting. Auditors, accountants use CALS in computer only for fast growing calculation. Beyond a spreadsheet, as spreadsheet become larger, they become more difficult to manage. Yes, when the numbers get much more difficult, such type of spreadsheet also get difficult if it is too long. So what they do, professional peoples, they make small spreadsheets like small calculations and their accounting, and then save it in CALS. By saving that, if they require their exercise or duties to see of 3 years before, 4 years before, they can see in CALS. Typical application of spreadsheet package. What is the activities, which commands are given, and which is the description. In spreadsheet, we make balance sheet. Activity what we make is balance sheet. What is that? Statements of financial position and summary in typical account format. The accountant people use CALS in computer to make balance sheet, to make their profit and loss stay in document form. Result analysis and merit list preparation. Calculating, sorting and filtering result of some activities such as examination. We teachers also make your students, your results, 10th standard and 12th standard, your board results, they all come from CALS spreadsheet only. Statistical data analysis, max calculation data analysis, command, supply, demand, and all are done in spreadsheet. Financial activities such as loan installment, companies of banks and Muthoot Finance, such financial companies use spreadsheet for their customers calculation and customers records. Personal activities such as tracking personal weights, managing list of activities. Courier companies, all they use spreadsheet only for their tracking details and courier facility. How do we start with CALS? How to start? First thing you require to know is how to open the CALS. That is, first we require application. Start application in that office and in that openoffice.org. This is the website for our starting process for our CALS. In OpenOffice.org, we open our CALS and then such type of spreadsheet is displayed in our computer. What is that? We can see first bordered it given with black, that is our active cell. Means active, it is working where we are going to type first that cell, or any cell which is in black border, that is active cell. Then comes first starting from title bar. It gives title OpenOffice.org, that is our title. Second, it gives us menu bar. What are the menus given? File, edit, save, view, format, tools, all are menu bar. Toolbars, which tools we can use? Editing tools, inserting, drawing, that are toolbars. Then comes column header, that it is shown, that is our column header given. You can give a heading to your columns or for any specified thing. Then comes row head border. This is row border given. Fifth one, row border. This is row border given by in this spreadsheet. Active cell we saw. Address or name file of selected cell. You can file their name, which A1, A2, B2, B1. You can address your cell, means address your row and column. Format for formula and data input bar. This is formula. Which formula you want to give for any alpha, beta formula you can give, that will be specified for your cell. That type of formula will be calculated and answer will be displayed in your cell. Then comes workspace. This is our workspace, means this is our spreadsheet where we have to type and calculate. Next comes zoom tool. This is zoom bar. Zoom tool means how much close, far you want, you can do. See, you can see close, far, how much you want, you can display it by your zoom tool. Next comes status bar. This is status bar, active, which spreadsheet is active now. This is entire our spreadsheet of CALs. We saw our every bar, menu bars and everything. Now we are seeing our toolbars. In toolbar there are different types of toolbar. Default it is called system toolbars. A toolbar presents the most common commands in form of on-screen buttons. It is given on the button form. As we click, the toolbar get activated. First comes standard toolbar. In standard toolbar, which toolbars it is taking? See, you can see the icons of your toolbar. File and edit menus. These are in menu bar. Then you can cut, copy, paste, bold. Copy paste is given. Bold letters, which you want, you can do. Printing documents, these all are, and checking the spellings, these all are standard toolbars. Formatting toolbars. Then comes formatting toolbars. In formatting toolbars, it gives most frequently, means frequently, easily, and every time you using toolbars, which we can go and quickly clicking on the icon and we can use that toolbar. If any icon is not available, you may go to far end of the formatting toolbar and select the option to add an icon. You can add it in your formatting toolbar if you require frequently that toolbar. You saw formula toolbar. I told you alpha, beta, whichever formula you required for getting your answer in your cell. You have to type that formula. Computer will automatically, spreadsheet will automatically calculate in that form of formula and give the answer on your cell. Rows and columns and cells. Each row worksheet is divided into vertical columns and horizontal rows. Formatting cells. Both this as well as columns are numbered. Columns with alphabet and rows with numbers are given the heading. Each column in CALs is vertical series of cells. A column as a whole can be selected by clicking on the respected column. You can see this is our third row and this is our first column. Cell is the active cell where we are typing. Formula and data input bar. This is formula where we are feeding typing our formula. Input bar means the data which we had typed, that is our input, and the output which computer gives us in entire table in our cell, that is our output. Formula bar shows the cell which is currently selected, means the active cell. On its left, the box indicates, on the right provides an area in which you can enter data or formula. In the starting, you can write your formula in the formula bar. The answer will be coming automatically on your cell. But for that, you have to click on your cell, in which cell you want your answer. Workspace, the empty grids of cell from an area where users' data appears while entering data. You may directly click on the specific cell and enter data as well as formula. The cell may not show a formula but displays a result in form of data. Workspace is the entire space where we are typing. The cells are the worksheet. Spreadsheet is our workspace where we are typing and writing our data. Now the main thing where we came, we entirely read about the sheets and windows. Now how to create a CALS document. To create a CALS document, we have to select first application office, then OpenOffice org, and we come to CALS document. Choose application office, OpenOffice org, spreadsheet comes. You can see the user interface of CALS. Observe that the CALS has created 3 worksheets automatically. Earlier, you can delete worksheet or add additional worksheet in the same. If you want to add, then you can add, or you can create your new worksheet. Select the worksheet that it is to be renamed by clicking on the worksheet tag. Click the format menu. Select sheet from the menu option. If you don't want any old worksheet, what you have to do, go to menu bar and select a new worksheet and type on that. Start typing which column, how many columns, how many rows you want, in which size you want, you can do. Then your column and row will take that which and that vertical sense elegant and prepare your entire rows and column for your cell. Type OK after creating cells and columns and rows, and then start typing in your cells. To enter a bill data, how to prepare a bill? From left, click on the cell A1, enter the word SR number and press the enter key. Left click on the cell B1, enter the word item and press the enter key. Left click on the cell C1, enter the word quantity and press the button, enter. Then you come to D1, and D1 you will write unit price. Such type of you will be writing in your command. Then you will be displayed with same type of table. SR number A1, B1, B2, C1 and D1. This is your table. You are typing on your entire rows. B1 row, A1 row, B1 row, C1 row and D1. And this is your columns where you are typing SR 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then B1 you will be typing pen, pencil, boxes, pencil box, notebooks, notebook cover. This will be in your columns. Such type of table will display. After typing and preparing our table, we will go to file and save our table. In such type of, we will be saving our table of CALS, document of CALS. Clicking on save name, save in folder, which folder you want and save. Then your CALS document will be saved in such name. But after saving the CALS document, we remember that we didn't display our price or amount or anything. Then what will we do? Select cell E1. A, B, C, D was there for. We will be selecting E1. Enter the word amount and press enter. And then add the formula for E1, E2, E3 like type amount and amount numbers from E2, E3, E4 you will be writing in your columns. Then such number with amount will be displayed